trade recap. So it is February 3rd. Ended up taking this short position at 11:15, a bit past my trading time, but it was a beautiful setup. So coming into the day, obviously we were very bearish. Why, you may ask? Because simply just looking at fair value gap strategy, where we are disrespecting bullish fair value gaps and we're respecting bearish fair value gaps. That is telling us that we are very much bearish. Not only that, you ended up taking a manipulation high and market structure shift low to then continue that 100% sell off for the day. Keeping that in mind, that we were selling off very hard, I really wanted us to see that we were going to take out this previous New York low, which we ended up taking very beautifully. Very happy that I ended up catching this, because Asia and London ended up getting completely swept right through. So looking at London low was, why do I keep saying London? New York low was very obvious. Now, coming into the trade, let me turn this off over here. Coming into the trade, first thing is on the 15-minute time frame, what do we see? Well, let's just replay this a bit over here. What do we see? On the 15-minute time frame, we are looking at the NAS 15-minute. We have a very beautiful fair value gap that we're tapping into. Now, yes, preferably I would have much rathered us come up a bit and tap into this 5-minute, because that would have been like an A+ confirmation. But again, we're tapping into the 15. It works. Tapping into the 15-minute fair value gap, and we're taking out this 5-minute internal high buy side. Once I saw this getting tapped into, I'm like, okay, this is a beautiful continuation long, continuation short. Jesus. It was a no-brainer. Then now I'm looking for my trigger point. Jump down to the lower time frame. What do we see? We have a manipulation right over here. Very beautiful. Stacked fair value gaps. Now, when I see stacked fair value gaps, we always want to mark them together, which we had a full closure past it, turns into an inversion fair value gap. Now, you guys may ask, Alexander, why didn't you take the entry on a short right over here? You would have got a much better RR trade. Absolutely, you are not wrong at all. But the only thing is, I wasn't too crazy about it just because of how big this previous fair value gap was. So I wanted to wait a bit to get a bit more confirmation, because I am a bit greedy. What do I see over here? Once again, a second model. We have another manipulation leg and market structure shift. Now, bro, I was like, Alexander, if you don't fucking take this trade, like, I'm actually gonna jump out the window. So what did I do? Right when we made this full closure past it, I took the entry. Now over here, I'm sitting in some pure chop city. Well, gotta be patient. The model is there, so there's no reason for me to get out. And what happened? We had a beautiful distribution lower. Now, yes, I could have easily held to at least down here and get a 2R trade, 100%, but I just wanted a quick and easy trade. This was very obvious draws on liquidity, sweeping out these lows down here. So I ended up just getting out full position, catching a very nice 1 to 5 RR trade. Now, guys, this is literally my A++ model. Well, A+ model. It would have been A++ if we ended up tapping into that 5-minute fair value gap that we had just above over here. Never ended up tapping into it, but the 15-minute was enough to get that confirmation lower. So this is honestly such a beautiful trade. Guys, that's going to be the end of it. It's a very short video, and I hope you ended up catching this trade just as well as I did. So nice profits on the day, and hope to see you guys next time. Also, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments, what you want to see more. Maybe you want to see more of these videos. I don't mind. I'll make them. And also down below, I have all my socials. I have my mentorship. I'm currently running a little special on that, so go check it out. It's not expensive, just a place to chill and for me to teach you my models. But yeah, peace.